here at the track with my brand new Redcat Racing Kaiju. This is a 1/8 scale brushless 6S ready monster truck. Huge. Ooh. I am running it on 4S today. You guys saw on the speed test what Nate did to my body,
we both
but
did.
it actually made it
looks
look better.
so cool. I think it looks good.
I like it. It looks pretty mean now.
We got a custom body now. Yeah.
Where's our TheRcSaylors sticker? It looks so good.
It would look good on the hood.
We
It would look good on the side. We have some in the car.
You guys see this? Nate and I have actually been here once before, but you all haven't even seen that video yet. But
the ramps.
We have some brand new ramps here. They completely redid the track, and we have 2 wooden ramps. One ramp is like 20 plus feet wide. We should have brought a measure to show you guys.
It's a huge ramp.
I'm going to take this awesome monster truck around it and have some fun. One of you guys told us that if we lower the wheelie bar,
it'll run straight stretches better.
Yes. So we'll have to do that, but today I'm just going to run it completely stock on a 4S with my amazing 2100 kV brushless motor, my awesome 150 amp ESC.
150 amps!
With my cool LED lights.
Lights on the back too.
Hooks.
Red lights on the back. Those lights are bright.
It looks so cool.
This honestly is one of the coolest monster trucks on the market. A lot of people said from last night's speed test video that this is the world's sleeper monster truck. In other words, not enough people know about this thing. I think after yesterday's speed test and today's bashing, that a whole lot more people are gonna know about this beast. A lot of people too are also saying that this is possibly one of Redcat's best vehicles ever. Now, that must be people that don't crawl, because Abby and I love our crawlers, and especially our Redcat crawlers.
Oh yeah, Redcat makes some of the best
of the best. But I think probably this might be their best basher to date. So this is amazing. You ready?
Yeah.
This track is so cool. We might need masks today, not for COVID, but for the dust you're gonna kick up. It's been a while since we've been at this track. So let Abby get a couple runs around each section of the course. She'll perfect each section, and then maybe we'll do a whole course run. Because I mean, this isn't design, this is a monster truck, it's a basher. I mean,
this is the ramp I was telling you guys about that I'm actually really
nervous. Look, I don't know if people can see how tall this actually is. It is huge, you guys. It's huge. We're probably looking at least 3 feet off the ground. It's a sturdy ramp, and then check out the distance between our landing zone. Are you serious? What? It's a huge gap. I think the Kaiju can do it. Just got to get a feel for it, how it handles on the loose dirt. Okay, 3/4 throttle. Yeah, nice. Oh, okay. It's all going to be timing. You know, do you want to try to clear the first? I think you need to go less throttle, clear the first ramp, and hit this one. It just takes a little practice getting used to the course.
You're so much better at tracks than I am anyway.
No. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Get a little air control going. Yep. Did you forget how to get your... Oh, I love the wheels on this thing. I love the wheels. Oh, this is one of the best looking. Oh yeah, all about the timing. We'll get it. We'll get it.
I don't know if I'll get it.
All right, you got straight stretch, Abby. You can do this. And it's nice and trimmed up from when we were just doing the speed test. Oh, nice landing. Are you going to commit to the big ramp?
No.
Okay, yes, good. That's the grand finale. There it is. Yes, perfect. And you couldn't even see it, could you? Good job. Now this little hump you gotta take a little slower so you don't do that. There it is. Nice job, Abby. Oh, gotta get that mid-air control down, but this thing is tough as nails. I have heard from a lot of people in our comments that this thing really is tough. Oh, nice. Somehow she lands it. Okay, building up the confidence. So far, Abby is doing better this run than the first time through. Toward the end of the video, I promise she'll make it around the course in one piece.
That big ramp is scaring me though.
Yeah. You're getting a better feel for it. You're staying on the track. It's looking good. It's sounding good. There we go. Yeah. Oh, just veered off course a little bit, but you're and the butterfly flying through the course.
Very beautiful.
A lot of people have told us in the comments just from experience, because this Kaiju is new, but a few people already. Oh, that was perfect, Abby. Good job. A lot of people agree that this thing really is very tough. You did a good job on that one.
Not really.
It didn't roll.
It didn't roll at least.
Let me get out of the way. I think you've found a good spot to stand. Nice! Nice! You're getting better.
Just takes me a while to get out of grandma mode.
Yeah. Okay, here it is. Oh, no.
I'm not doing it.
I was ready. I was so ready.
I'm actually scared to do it.
Guys, build up the confidence. Help Abby build up the confidence. Ooh, nice. Okay, around the course again. Here we go.
Oh.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh, that wind feels good. Okay, just taking the corners tighter. Yes. Ow, way off.
Cricket again.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, all right. That just means you get to hit the ramp again.
Climb the hill again.
Yeah, it's a good hill. We could bring our crawlers here.
I know.
With the way they got the course set up now. All right, I think third time's a charm. It's actually like the 10th time.
Thank you. Why do you have to jinx me?
I think you're gonna nail the ramp and not veer off course this time. You got it. There it is. Yes, yeah. That was good.
I killed it.
Oh, the power switch got turned off. Literally turned off the power switch.
I hit so hard. The power switch.
It landed like right on the top of this. There it is.
Oh.
Abby has built up her confidence enough by flipping 20 times to hit the ramp. Here we go. Yo, you could have flipped it like 3 times. Oh, that was amazing air. If this is still in one piece, then it's the toughest truck in the world.
It's on its feet.
No way.
It is.
Wow. Okay. You gonna hit the ramp again?
I feel like I just need to commit to the backflip.
Yeah, do it. But then you gotta land it. Oh, no, wrong way, Abby. How pathetic.
I panicked.
Well, and that's how you destroy a body of an RC.
That's how you do it. I panicked when it started drifting and going off course. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, there's the backflip. And you landed on the roof again. Wow, you're not the queen anymore. Woo, oh, but it's on its wheels.
Yeah, I landed, it hit the top of it and then it flipped.
Yeah.
Poor thing.
This is tough. It's
I'm gonna do this one more time. One more time.
Okay, redemption. This is it. There it is, and you landed. No,
too much brake.
Yeah.
Ah.
You're getting better though. It is fun to watch.
Slow motion.
There you go. In those epic slow motion shots, we figured out the secret sauce.
I had to be able to see where I'm landing.
It helps. She was like,
Nate is tall,
okay,
so
go.
he can stand back
Go.
there and see the landing. I couldn't.
There it is. And then you timed the landing right and you did it. That's consistent 3 in a row.
I'm slightly embarrassed. It does take me a while. If it's some time's gone by since I've done rants, it takes me a while to get used to.
What we'll do is we'll put one of these epic slow motion shots at the beginning so people know you can actually do it. Because it was painful to get to this point of success. So she loses sight of it for about 1 second right here. Ah, hey, you landed it, good. See if you can see the landing zone, you're good. Wow.
Ready? ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm always ready. Wow. Oh, I saw it. You were just a half second off. Is it my turn?
Sure, I'll let you go. Don't break it. I always have to say that when I hand Nate the controller. I guarantee you guys, he will break it. He will break a shock or an arm. I know it. I just know it. I know my husband. Look, he's gonna show me up. Like he knows something about RC.
I tried to hit it slower.
It takes a minute to get used to doing ramps on this. It really does. You have to know how much throttle, how hard to hit the brakes, everything. It is a learning curve to drive somewhere like this. It takes a minute to get used to it. Good job. Are you gonna go straight for the big ramp? Oh, I told you guys he's going to break it. Nice.
That's a hard ramp.
It is because it's on a curve.
Yeah. Okay, you ready? Are you full throttle when you hit it?
Almost. Here we go, first try. With the back foot.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh! That was like butter going on bread.
Yes, it was.
Holy moly.
Warm, melted butter.
That really was. With some jelly on top, Nate.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can hit it with this. Oh, that
Oh, right on this second hill.
committed, though. This is a blind hill. That one's hard to...
It is hard. If we stood up there, we could see it, but it just doesn't make very good video for you guys when we stand up there.
Oh! Ow!
Whoa! I definitely saw it. Don't know if they did.
I'm amazed. I'm amazed at how tough this is.
It's really cool.
Oh my gosh. I'll take it around the course one more time because I feel like it's just doing pretty good. This thing is really strong. Abby and I have been really rough on it. I'm just going to take this part easy because I don't want to walk over there.
Wimp.
You ready? Whoa!
I think you just dented the hill.
Abby, the hill.
It was already slightly dented, but you just dented it more.
This is amazing. One for the road?
Yep. Oh, I got scared on that one. I thought the whole body was gonna roll down the ramp.
I had to, no.
You did good, you did
good. Air
good.
control. Man, that's fun. Come on, Redcat, the Kaiju. I think that's the most fun I've ever had with the Redcat. We love our crawlers, and they are their own unique kind of fun, a crawler, but this is a basher meant to bash, which is why we took it to the ramps today. Yes, it was a slow start to get built up to this point, but once Abby and I both started hitting the big ramp, we had a blast. We both had an amazing time. I'm glad we came out today and got to share this experience with you guys, and for that I thank God. It's an amazing hobby. It's come so far, and for something to be this fast and this tough, remember that's only on 4S. This is 6S capable. That just blows my mind. You guys, this was a fun day. We'll have this vehicle and the batteries that we're running on linked in the description box below. I want to say a huge thank you to all of our Patreon supporters, because we couldn't do this channel without you guys. From $1 or top tier patron or anyone in between, thank you guys so much from the bottom of our hearts. You mean the world to us, you really do. We did a speed test of this puppy on 4S and 6S. You'll notice how much easier it is to control on 4S, but it's mind-blowingly fast on 6S. Can anyone say Wheelie Mania? We'll have that video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching, we'll see you there.
Bye!